Publishing your website on Weebly is simple and quick. Follow these steps to make your website live. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your credentials. Access your website editor. Once logged in, select the website you want to publish from your Weebly dashboard and click on Edit Site to open the website editor. Finalize your website. Before publishing, review your website for any last-minute changes or adjustments. Make sure all content, images, and design elements are as you want them. Choose a domain. Click on the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. If you haven't already, Weebly will ask you to choose a domain name for your website. You can select a free Weebly subdomain or connect a custom domain if you have one. For a custom domain, you will need to purchase a domain through Weebly or another provider and connect it. Click Publish. After selecting your domain, click the Publish button again to make your website live. Confirmation. Once your site is published, you will receive a confirmation message. Your website is now accessible to the public.